Hey everybody, it's Abby. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be talking about my 100 days of makeup. So today I posted the picture for day 20 of the 100, but by the time you're seeing this, it'll be around day 25. So what I'm doing is I'm posting a new makeup picture every day on Instagram. Sometimes I fall behind and I'll post 2 in one day or something. And also sometimes I take 2 pictures in one day. So I will if you see, like, if you're scrolling through my feed, you'll see, like, my right eye and then my left eye. It's because I did 2 different eye looks that day. Which actually is easier for me because I don't have to worry about matching my eyes. You know, if I go to work early in the morning and then get off at like 4 or 5, then I can come home and then do 2 looks and then have, like, that day and the next day ready, which is super handy. And it's also easier so I don't have to duplicate the same look on the second eye. If I'm doing a really complicated look like the blue one that I posted recently, that would have taken 1.5 million years and would have looked terrible if I tried to do it on both eyes. So if you're not following me on there, go ahead and check it out. It's at Azkaland, same way it's spelled here. And yeah, I'm going to go through 100 days. I don't know what I'm going to do because I posted that video about my channel and I'm going to be gone for a little bit in March, so I don't know how that's going to work, if I'm going to be able to wear makeup every day then. Maybe if I have a day off, which I'm not guaranteed that I will, I'll do the 2-eye thing and try to catch up, which I might have a roommate and they'll probably think that's really strange because it's not really a common thing around where I live to, like, do Instagram and stuff. It's not like LA or something. So yeah, overall, my thoughts about it, I think it's a good practice to try new looks and try to come up with things, especially now that I'm doing the Shop My Stash, because I'm using the same palette for 2 weeks in a row, sometimes 3 weeks in a row. So it's forcing me to be creative with that palette and get 14 essentially different looks out of it. So I would definitely recommend trying this. Even if you don't post it to Instagram, just try to do a different look every day and push yourself and see, what you can do with the palette. Because it's not, we kind of fall in the habit of using the same 4, maybe 5 eyeshadows out of a huge palette at one time, or just the same 2 if you're like me. Sometimes I'll just do like a warm matte color and then a shimmer on the lid, and that's it. So, again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, go ahead and do that too. I know it's been, YouTube's not been notifying people. I can't talk today. YouTube hasn't been notifying people about my videos. So if you follow me on Twitter, I'll post links every time I upload something. YouTube used to do it manually, like automatically, if you set it to, but now it won't do that anymore. So every time I'll have to just go in and do it. Sometimes I might forget, but yeah, just so you know, that's the best place to find out if I have a new video. If you're not getting notifications, or if you don't check your subscription box, or sometimes YouTube doesn't even put stuff in people's subscription boxes, or they'll put stuff in your subscription box that you're not subscribed to. But, So that's it. Short video, but hope you liked it, and leave a comment down below if you're going to do something like this, or if you know anybody else is doing the 100 days of makeup, I'll go follow them, and yeah, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.